Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make letters in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need is we need numbers in order for us to create the letters. So let's create the numbers first. So let's go for water plus water, and then earth plus fire to create lava, and then add water into lava to create stone, combine it with lake to create lighthouse. Once you have lighthouse, you want to go for stone plus stone to create boulder, combine it with this to create statue of liberty, then add water, and then add fire. And then once you have 911, duplicate it, and then you'd have 922, and then duplicate this again, you would have 844. Once you have 844, you want to add a fire into it to create 22, and then add 922 into it to create 1. So now that we have 1, we can create the other numbers by adding 1 up right here. So let's go for another 1 to create 2. Once you have 2, add another 1 to create 3. And so on right here. So let's just combine the numbers until we get the number 10 right here, because that is what we need. Once you have 5, add another 5 right here. And as you can see, you can't do that, so you need to find another way. So we can go for 2 again, and then we can add 3 into 7, and now we have number 10. So now we have number 10. Let's just save this and let's just put this aside for now. And now the next thing is we are gonna craft some things first that we need in order for us to create the letters. So it's not just numbers. So let's proceed right here. So we're gonna go for earth plus water, and then once you have plant, add another plant, and then once you have tree, add water, and then add earth into river to create a delta. So once you have delta, you can just go and put that aside because we'll need it later on. So what we need next is river plus tree, and then paper plus paper, and then we're gonna go for book plus delta, and then we're gonna go for alphabet plus book, and then a dictionary plus alphabet. Now that we have language, and then add water to create spit. So now we'll just put this aside. The next thing is earth plus wind, and then dust plus dust. And now we have sand, so let's just put this aside because we'll need it later on. And the next thing is dust plus earth, and then planet plus planet. And now we have star, and let's put this aside. The next thing is we're gonna go for fire plus wind, and then we're gonna go for smoke plus plant. So let's just find a plant right here. So we have incense. Once you have incense, add sand. And now we have snake, and now we need dictionary. And there you go, you now have anagram. Alright, so now let's proceed to the next one. So we need planet plus fire, and then a sun plus sun, so duplicate it and add it so that you'd have sunflower, and then add smoke into it. So let's find smoke right here. Once you have the smoke signal, add wind, and then duplicate message and add it to itself to create letter. So this is what we need, and we'll put it aside for now. And now let's go for plant. So let's go here, plant plus wind, dandelion plus tree right here, and then add tree again, and then you'd have money. Once you have money, is that you want to add star, so right here. And once you have fame, you want to add anagram. And now that you have name, the next thing is to add the spit that we have created earlier right here. So it's surname, and then add number 1 into this one right here. And now we have first. So this is what we need right here. So now that we have the first, we need to create everything until 26th. So we need to add this up just like what we did earlier with the numbers right here. So first plus first is second right here. So actually we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like this one right here and right there. So all you have to do basically is just duplicate this and then add first into it again, and then just basically duplicate everything right here and just add first. Alright, so now we're almost done into 26th. We are currently in 25. So it's great at 26 is that you don't want to go for 25 plus first right here because it will just get you Christmas. So what you want to do is go for 24th and then go for second, and then you'd have 26th right here. So now once you have all the numbers right here from 1st to 26th, is that all you basically need to do is to add a letter into each one of them. So let's go for a letter right here. Alright, so now we're done adding letters to every numbers that we have right here. And as you can see, couple of letters right here are wrong. It's not exactly letters. For example, this one right here that is supposed to be N, and this one should be O right here. Instead, it's April and October. So what we can do is just remove them because we have an alternative on how you can get them. Also, right here, it should be J. So let's remove this. And this one should be L right here. So I'm going to show you the alternative on how you can create the J, L, and O. So the first thing is we need the number 10. This is why we need the number 10. And we had to create it earlier. And we need to add letter A into it right here so that we would have J. So now we have J right here. And then the next thing is L. So we would need letter I and letter J. And now we have L right here. And then the next thing is we need letter L again, and we need the M so that we would have N. And then the next thing is we would need 15th right here. So number 15 right here, and we need alphabet. So we're gonna go for alphabet right here and combine it with 15th. So now we have letter O. And now we have all the letters right here in the alphabet. And this is basically how you can do it right here in Infinite Craft. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.